Hello, dear students. In today's class, I am going to start to explain the figures of speech. In this series, I will tell you the proper explanation of one by one figures of speech. फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच का इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है। आप इसको जितनी बेहतरीन तरीके से समझेंगे उतने ही बेहतरीन तरीके से साहित्य को समझ पाएंगे। ये देखने में ऐसा कभी कभी लगता है कि एक बार हमने इसको पढ़ लिया, डेफिनेशन के बाद एग्जाम्पल देखा हमने, तो ऐसा लगा कि बिल्कुल से स्पष्ट हो गया। बट व्हेन वी रीड another figures of speech and the examples of that figures of speech, there will be a little bit confusion regarding first and with the second. But when you will focus to understand the basic concepts of the figures of speech, I am quite sure that in the future, at the time of reading the examples or the sentences, you will be able to identify which figures of speech has been used in that particular sentence. So let's start. In the first video of the figures of speech, I will explain the alliteration. I hope the sound is clear regarding that. So students, the first figure of speech which I am just going to explain is the alliteration. The alliteration, as you can just see, I have already written it. That's why we can save our time. So let me just read and explain. An alliteration, एक alliteration जो होता है, there is the repetition of the words. वहाँ क्या होता है? Words की repetition होती है of same sound. और किस word की repetition होती है? जो same sound produce करता है, और यहाँ पे दिया है और, या फिर द रिपीटिशन ऑफ सेम लेटर। अगर वो सेम साउंड प्रोड्यूस करने वाला वर्ड नहीं है तो वो यहाँ पे क्या कहता है? सेम लेटर और सिलेबल, या फिर उसका जो सिलेबल है एक ही सिलेबल एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टू और मोर वर्ड्स, वो शुरुआत के एक या दो शब्द में वो क्या होता है? रिपीट होता है। So alliteration is the figures of speech. You can say here that there is the repetition of the words. There is the repetition of the words of same sound, or the repetition of same letter or the syllable at the beginning of two or more words. दो या दो से ज़्यादा शब्द एक पूरे के पूरे सेंटेंस में बिगिनिंग में वो रिपीट होता है। एंड वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड विद द एग्जाम्पल द डेफिनेशन। हम क्या करेंगे? इस एग्जाम्पल को डेफिनेशन के साथ कोरिलेट करेंगे कि कैसे डेफिनेशन में दी हुई बात एग्जाम्पल में जस्टिफाई होती है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हाउ हाई हिज हाईनेस holds his haughty head. I think this is one of the best example of the alliteration you may have just seen. क्या कहता है? How high his highness holds his haughty head. Every word in this example, every word has been started with the ha sound. So this one is the best example of the alliteration. क्या कहता है? Repetition of the words of the same sound. Ha, how high his highness, और the repetition of the same letter. तो same letter की तो repetition नहीं है यहाँ पे, या letter को कह सकते हैं H H H H H H H H everywhere कह सकते हैं। The repetition of the same letter or the syllable at the beginning of two or more words. beginning के दो या दो से ज़्यादा में। अब next में देखते हैं a load of learning. Okay, once again you can just see here a load of learning lumbering in his head. 2 repetition यहाँ पे भी है, but here we should just focus in the beginning of the words or the letters or the syllable, and that is what? Load of learning, lumbering in his head. Okay, the repetition of the l sound you can find it here, and when you just read it and speak it or sing it in a fluence, yeah, in flowing manner, then you can find hello the learning lumbering in his head. So another example, as you can see in the two, and now I'm going to explain in the third. A strong man struggling with the storm of fate. So easily you can see how the words have been repeated, the letters also. So strong man struggling with the storm of fate. So once again, you should be careful at the time of just reading the sentences. If there is a repetition of the words of same sound, or the repetition of same letter in the sentence or the syllable, then definitely you can tick that it is the example of alliteration. And there are so many examples you can just read and can be given, but these 3 examples, once again I will read them for you. How high his highness holds his haughty head, a load of learning lumbering in his head, a strong man struggling with the storm of fate. So dear students, I hope you will like this video, and please comment and give your positive suggestion. That's why I can improve and in the next video. Thank you very much.